Hello everybody, my name is Evan Naveed and today we are learning how to make a mini bag like this one. You will need half of an A4 piece of paper, some scissors and any type of tape. First, what you're going to do is fold this in half. Let me do that. And then you're going to get this top part and then fold that part inwards like that. Then fold this part on top of it. Get your tape and then stick that on. So we're going to stick that on. Stick that on like that. You have to make sure it's off the edge. I'll show you what I mean. So what I meant by that was here is where it ends, and then here the tape's gone over it. Fold this part there like that. Get your tape again and then you can put that on the side. Right, nearly done. So then we can just stick it on sideways like that. It's stuck across there. And now turn it over. You can put logos here or anything you want. And then when you open it up, you've got a mini bag. So thanks for watching. Bye.